What is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be making a mini bridge build over this almost like little just swamp, because why not have a little bridge over a piece of muddy water. And in the summer it will go up about 2 to 3 more inches, so I'd like to get something over it so I can walk around on it in the summer. So yeah, let's get in the video. Here we are. Was gonna make a build out of these, but I never ended up making a build. These are perfect stuck frozen together logs. So I'm gonna lay these out across the water, and yeah, I'm gonna start building the bridge. Woo! One down, a few more to go. That's the last of them that I need. Alright, this part of the bridge is done. Alright guys, the bridge itself is officially done. I'm not going to show it to you quite yet. Alright guys, so first, before I do the grand reveal, I have to clean out these leaves under the bridge, and then you'll see the final reveal. Alright guys, the bridge is finished. I cleaned out right next to here just a little bit, grabbed some, but here is the grand reveal of the new bridge. There you go. It was a pain to make, but it is worth it. It will hold me up, walk across, jump, snapped a stick. Look at that. It's all right. It's a perfect bridge. It's a lot nicer than another one I made, but I'll just show you that one. It's just a little worn down. It was a little bit better. But yeah, so that is the bridge. I can't believe it turned out this well. It took me like an hour to make. I'm out of breath because how much I had to do for it. So yeah, that was amazing. So let's go see that junk bridge. All right, and here we are. It's hard to tell that it's even a bridge. I mean, these pieces of wood are all just rotted and just junk. Now, that other bridge I just made is epic. So, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.